In this video, I am going to show you how to change your eBay username. Log into your eBay account and navigate to My eBay, located at the top right corner. Find and click Account tab, then select Personal Information. In the Personal Information section, look for the username field. Next to your current username, there should be an option to edit or change. Click on this to start the process of changing your username. eBay will guide you through the steps to change your username. You may need to enter a new username and possibly confirm the change via email or another verification method. Once you've followed all the steps and made your changes, eBay will update your username. Remember, you can only change your username once every 30 days. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.